Hi, this is Trifonas Papadopoulos. Today I'm gonna show you how to split a single column of text into multiple columns. Let's delete these columns here, and let's suppose that we have this column here with values separated with commas, and we want to move this text to these columns. So what we have to do is that we press Alt A and E. We select delimited here, comma. Next, we click on destination and we choose this column. So what's going to happen is that these values will move to column 1, 2, and 3 accordingly. We press OK, and there we are. In case you want to do that for the rest of the rows, go here and we select all the rows, and then we press again Alt A and E, delimited, comma. We can select text here. For destination, we click on destination, then we choose this column here, which is D5, and then we click on finish. And there we are. Hope you find this video useful, and if you do, please subscribe. See you on the next one.